Now I am. Maddie, do my intro for me with all these people here.
How's it going, guys? Busterbear99 here.
And welcome to... See, that's why I always have two intros, because...
December 15th.
December 15th.
Vlog.
Yep. And today...
We're getting breakfast.
Where?
Here we go.
Thank you.
You are very welcome. You need a couple minutes?
Yes, please.
Yes, I'll be right back.
Thank you.
We're getting breakfast at Bob Evans.
Yep. Great. Now I don't look as weird when I do mine. Alright, how's it going, guys? Busterbear99 here, and welcome to December 25th vlog. It's Christmas. Welcome to December 15th vlog. Today we are at Bob Evans getting breakfast, and this is a lot of people. This is probably most people have vlogged around ever. So we're gonna get breakfast. I'm thinking about getting some pancakes, but I don't really know. So I'm gonna look before the lady comes back and gets mad at me because I'm not ready for my order yet. So I'll see you guys when we get food. Wait, gotta focus it. Alright, you're good.
You just snorted and it moved it out of focus. Are you still filming? Okay, focus it. And don't snort it out of focus. There you go. Oh my gosh, it's crazy.
That was really unsatisfying. Yeah, you really hyped that up for nothing. Alright, so our food came out. I'm rewarding myself in finals and getting double chocolate chip pancakes. Maddie got some French toast that looks really good. And she got some eggs and stuff and bacon. Yeah, so hopefully you guys are hungry and it just made you more hungry.
I'm hungry.
She's still looking cute, like always. So I'm gonna eat this and I will see you guys later. Alright, how's it going, guys? We are done with breakfast and we went and saw our people at theater that we knew, and now we are going to walk her cute little dog. This is Luke. Luke, say hi to the camera. Luke! Look at him, he's a cute little doggo. Not as cute as Echo though, of course. But so yeah, we're gonna go for a walk. It's raining, so I'm not gonna actually vlog while we're walking because I don't want to like ruin Maddie's phone because she's letting me use mine because mine is dead because I didn't charge it last night. So yeah. So yeah, we're gonna go for a walk and I will see you guys afterwards. Alright guys, it is like almost 1 o'clock in the morning and I laid down to go to bed and then I realized I forgot to do an outro, but I'm not forgetting this time. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. I'm glad to be back home. Hopefully you guys noticed a little bit of editing in this one. Don't know how much I did because I haven't edited it yet obviously, but hopefully you guys noticed some editing, and I'll see you guys. If you like the video, make sure you drop a like on it. If you're new, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.